Good afternoon. My name is Wilmer Yesid Aguilar, and I'm an exchange student. Today I will talk about the celebration that take place in my country. People around the world Part 2. Intercultural Proyecto. Presente by Wilmer Yesid Aguilar Díaz. Presente tú María Teacher María Lagos, Universidad Militar de Granada. Celebration in Colombia. Mother Day. On Mother Days in Colombia is customary to join the company of our mother and family to eat at a restaurant. Or you can show uncertainty. How was the celebration? In Colombia becomes on Mother Days is considered one of the most violent days in Colombia due to intolerance, as we see in the graph. Continue. The Day of Love and Friendship. The Day of Love and Friendship in Colombia is celebration in the month of September. This celebration is comparable to Valentine's Day in USA. It's customary to play the secret fame, which consists of delivering a gift to person chosen and random. And the day with this day is celebration. Thank you for attention.